In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an if function in Excel. The if function is one of the most useful formulas in Excel because it lets you return one result when a condition is true and a different result when that condition is false. It is commonly used for things like grading, tracking status, or labeling values based on a rule. To begin, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, that will be cell C2. This is the cell where Excel will display the outcome of your formula, so make sure you select the correct location before typing anything. Next, type equals if open parentheses. In Excel, that looks like $if dot. This tells Excel that you are starting an if function. Every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign, and the opening parentheses signals that you are about to enter the parts of the function. After that, enter your logical test followed by a comma. A logical test is simply the condition Excel needs to check. For example, you could type B2 greater than or equal to 70, followed by a comma. In Excel, that would appear as B2 = 70. This means Excel will look at the value in cell B2 and check whether it is 70 or higher. Now type the value or text you want Excel to show if the condition is true, and then add a comma. This completes the function and gives Excel both possible outcomes based on the test you set. At this point, your full formula should look like this. Equals if open parenthesis B2 greater than or equal to 70. Pass fail close parenthesis. Written in Excel, that is =if B2 = 70. Pass fail. Finally, press enter. Excel will immediately evaluate the condition and display the correct result in the selected cell. If the value in B2 is 70 or more, the cell will show pass. If it is below 70, it will show fail. Make sure your commas, quotation marks, and parentheses are placed correctly because small typing errors can cause the formula not to work. That covers everything you need to know.